Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you guys how I got these super duper cute nails done for my friend's 30th birthday, and let's go ahead and get straight into it. So I'm just going in with a 240 grit sanding band on her nail bed because I did a soak off for her. She had MMA on her nails, you guys, so I had to soak it off and it still didn't come off completely. So I'm going in with the speed of 10 RPMs and making sure I move that sanding band around the nail and not staying in one place so she doesn't get any burns or damage to her nail. So I'm just going to go ahead and proceed with that, and we're going to go ahead and get straight into it. And also, y'all, don't mind the lighting. Literally, we did this in her living room. I don't really do clients and stuff like that. Like, I just do my practice nails in my own hands. But she was like, girl, I need you to do my nails on my 30th birthday. Like, that's the only gift I want. And I was like, what? I don't have to spend no money? Bet I'll come over and do your nails. So that's what this was, just on a whim. And we didn't even plan a nail set or anything like that, which I think was like the best part about it. Alright y'all, so now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my nails and blinks tips. And as you guys can see, her nails aren't cut straight across because she has like that skin underneath the nail. I think it's called the eponychium or hyponychium. I don't know, y'all. I went to nail school like 2 years ago, so don't quote me on that. But she has that excess skin, so I couldn't cut it straight across, which is fine. But I'm just placing the tips, and I got these tips from Nails and Blinks. These are the non-C-curve nail tips. I'm just not a C-curve nail tip girly anymore. But there was a point where everybody wanted, like, you know, the C-curve. But I just like the regular taper square look. I just feel like it looks nicer and gives me more space to do what I want on the nail. And I'm just applying the nails to her tips. And y'all, she is like my worst client. She is so stiff, you guys. Literally throughout this whole set, I'm telling her, like, relax your hand, relax your hand. She just is one of those customers or clients that wants to look at what you're doing. She's so self-conscious about her nails, being that, you know, they mess her up all the time. So, and I'm like, they probably messing you up because you're so stiff. You need to relax because now you're stressing me out. But yeah, y'all, this is why I don't do her nails, and she knows that. If you are too stiff and you just don't want to relax, I would literally put you on my do not do your nails list because you're making the process longer. My hands are going to start hurting because you're so stiff and I'm over here trying to hold on to your nail. And then by the time I'm realizing that your nail is stiff, that's why I can't properly see, I'm getting aches and pains. Like, girl, look at that. Relax. But y'all, if you feel what I'm saying, comment down below. Like, I know you guys experience these type of clients. Alright, so now I'm going in with the color Venus, and it's the iridescent series from glitterbels. And if y'all know me, y'all know glitterbels is my absolute favorite acrylic brand when it comes to glitters, powders, whatever. I just love glitterbels, y'all. I have probably over 50 powders from them, and I want to get like their whole line when I come up off some money, but you can't really see the glitter because of the lighting. But applying a small amount of their glitters to your sets literally turns your whole entire set up a notch. And before I was really intimidated, like, what am I going to do with these sets? But I'm just learning, when you ombre a nail and do full glitter, that just makes the set, period. You don't have to do too much. You don't have to overthink it. You don't have to do like a super crazy design on each nail. Just a classic ombre on all of the nails just looks really nice. And she's turning 30, so I wanted it to give like grown but still, you know, glittery and fun. And then we use like the milk white, y'all. 10 out of 10. Like, I absolutely love this set. She got so many compliments. She went to Turks and Caicos and she was like, girl, everybody is feeling my nails. Like, they think I'm about to get engaged, girl, because these nails are popping. And I was like, yes, that's what we're giving. We need wedding rings attached to these nails. If I do your nails, you need to get proposed to. Like, I'm not the problem, it's you. Just kidding. But anyway, so I'm just applying a small bead and patting the sides to make sure that everything stays in the perimeter of the nail so I don't have to file and shape too much. So I'm just going in, y'all, moving that around, and I use a pretty wet bead just so I can get the glitter around the whole entire nail without doing too much, and so it's not too chunky and lumpy. I'm still trying to keep them flat and not too thick. Alright, so on the thumb, I decided to start the ombre at the cuticle area and then drag it down and then leave the bottom clear just so that the thumb can get a little bit of love, because a lot of people don't show the thumb love, and I'm one of those people, y'all. I feel like the thumb does not matter, but it does. It's like the biggest nail on your hand. It should just give. It should have whatever you can do on it because it's so large. So I'm like, okay, let me just do a little style because I've been just ignoring the thumb. Alright, you guys, so I'm going in with this color from Not Polished. It's G01 Purple White, and it's a glow-in-the-dark powder. I forgot that it glowed in the dark. I just picked up the nearest like milky white color that I had, and then it was Not Polished in another brand, but of course I selected Not Polished because that's like one of my faves. But I forgot to record this nail, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys on the next nail how I ombre it with the glitter, or just how I ombre period, just in case you guys may want something with multiple beads, because I'm not a one bead, two bead type of girl. I do as many beads as I need to for the look, and I work with a smaller size brush, but that's gonna change soon because I want to just bump it up and move to like a size 23 brush. I don't know, I'm just feeling optimistic. But I'm just going in with a really small bead. I make sure that it's not too dry or too wet, and I just place it where the glitter starts, a little bit above it, to kind of blend that line of demarcation, and then drag it down slightly and then blend. And as you guys can see, like, it's gonna start the ombre effect, and I'm gonna do this 2 more times. So I'm just placing it higher up and then blending that, and this one is a little bit thicker just to create a little small apex, and then I'm gonna go above that one and blend down as well. And then after I do this, I'm gonna encapsulate all of the nails with clear. Alright, so I encapsulated the nails and shaped them and did everything off camera. But if you guys want me to do like a detailed video on how I do that, I have some on my page, I believe. But I'll do an updated one if you guys want. But I'm applying my swarovskis, and y'all, I bought these swarovskis at Michael's before they stopped selling them. And I have like a whole collection of swarovskis. So I rarely use them because only the expensive girls get these. Like, I use the regular AB for the cheapies. But just kidding, y'all. I don't even do nails for people like that. So, but yeah, I was applying them and I could barely see. They were shining, you guys. The one little light that I had in that house, I was blinded by these diamonds. Like, they were just captivating. I was like, oh, I need to order me some more because I feel so guilty using them on somebody other than me. But they just were giving. So I'm just applying them, moving them around, and just making sure I can fill the nail up. I wanted to do full bling, but I wanted to keep it, you know, classy. If it were my nails, it would have been full bling, but she doesn't even care for bling and stuff. But she was even like, dang, these things is shining like somebody's chain, honey. I was like, period, get the diamond tester, because maybe they gave us diamonds by mistake. But I applied those, cured it, and now I'm going in with the top coat, and I'm using the top coat from Not Polish as well. So I'm just going in and, you know, just getting it on top of the nails, and you guys are going to see the final look soon. I'm just going to go ahead and do that to all of the nails. Alright, y'all, so these are how they look out of the curing lamp. I'm going to oil her cuticles and show you guys the final look. And these are them in the light, y'all. It's giving diamond princess. It's giving bougie. It's giving 30. What? Yeah. But I absolutely love how they turned out. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more content from me. And we'll see y'all later, bookies. Bye.